In this video, I will show you step by step how you can get Google on a Nintendo Switch or Nintendo Switch 2. Now, the first thing we need to do once we are on our Switch is we need to head over to the system settings. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to scroll down until we see the option for internet. Go to internet settings. And then once you are on this page, it will just search for your network. Now just wait a couple of moments, click on your Wi-Fi, and then you want to go down to change settings. Now once we do this, if we go down and go to DNS settings, select manual, and then once we click on manual, you want to go to primary DNS, and then you want to enter in the primary DNS here. So 045.055.142.122. Now, once you enter this in exactly as it is on screen, you can then move on to the next step. So you now need to go to OK, click on OK, go down, select save, click on OK, and then you want to go up, click on connect to this network, and then this will just go ahead and try and connect to the network. What will then happen is the network connection will then fail, and then I will show you the next step. So as you can see, the network has now failed. All we need to do is click on next. As you can see, what this will now do is it will load up this menu here, and you will then simply get the option to go to Google, click on this. And then as you can see, Google has now fully loaded up on my Switch. So you can use this on the old Switch, you can use this on the Nintendo Switch 2. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.